In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize WordPress pages and posts. This process will help you bring more order to your website, enabling visitors to navigate it more easily. Whether you're managing a blog or an online store, having an organized structure can make a significant difference. Start by heading to WordPress.com, where you have all the resources you need to build and manage your site effectively. Once on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually positioned prominently at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the login page. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need those to access your dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially your control center for managing your site. Here you will find a menu on the left side of your screen, offering various options to customize and organize different aspects of your website. What we're focusing on today is Pages, so go ahead and click on the Pages tab from the sidebar. This section lists all your current web pages. Now, let's add some structure to your pages. It can sometimes be overwhelming if they are just listed in a singular, unconnected manner. To remedy this, locate the page you wish to organize under a parent page. Click on the page title to enter the editing screen. Here you will see various settings on the right-hand side. Look for the section labeled Page Attributes. In Page Attributes, there's an option for Parent Page. This feature allows you to nest pages under a main category, creating a hierarchy. By setting a parent page, you organize your content in a way that's not only logical for you, but makes navigation easier for your audience. Using parent pages can be particularly useful if you have a website with complex or numerous sections, as it helps visitors understand where they are within the site. Once you've selected the appropriate parent page, remember to save your changes by hitting the Update button. By following these simple steps, you've begun to bring structure to your WordPress site, making it more user-friendly and professionally organized. Remember, consistency is key. So apply this method across all relevant pages to ensure a cohesive feel. With practice, editing and organizing your pages will become second nature, helping your website function smoothly and look great in no time. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy organizing!